I decided I'm going to try to film my room tour right now. So here's my room. When you first walk into my room, this is the door from the back. It's my it's my mirror. It's from Target and it's a blue color. Let's walk through all the stuff, and here is my side of the room. So first you see my chair, which is from Walmart. I wanted white, but I got it black because I knew it would get gross. And then I got this little throw, which is from Target. And then you look to my desk, and it's very messy. I am a person who has a lot of things, and it's something that I want to resolve next year because I'm living in a dorm again for another year. So hopefully a lot of this stuff will be gone. On my desk, you see a bunch of trinkets. I have my stationery stuff. My roommate gave me this. I have also my what is this called? Bulletin board. Let's see if I can pull it out. Oh gosh. But it has various pictures and things that I love on it and places, and I made like a little Supreme logo and stuff like that. And then you see my Buddhas, which you will probably be able to count how many of those I have. I have a bunch. Then I have like my Victoria's Secret pink, like just a bunch of stuff. And then you see all my makeup, which is kind of a mess, but I mean that's just how I am. Above that, I have my Chance the Rapper poster I got from when I went to his concert at Jiffy Lube Live last summer. And if you turn to the right, you can see my bed. So I have a white comforter from probably Target, and then I have my brother's Virginia Tech pillow pet that he gave me, this throw blanket from Costco, which is the most comfortable blanket ever, my Hello Kitty that my godmother in this picture, Tina, gave me, and then I have this shaggy pillow from, I'm not sure where this is from, maybe, I don't know. And then I have silk pillows that I sleep on, and then these black, I have two black and white like pillowcases, and then a husband pillow. And then I have this tray where I keep like my retainer and like a drink or anything, and then I also have these lights which I got from what is that place called? Bed Bath & Beyond. If you look above my bed, you see a bunch of pictures. I tried to like cover it and leave space at the top because of the rule about it has to be like 8 inches down because it's a fire hazard. So I have pictures here, and then under, it's kind of messy, but you can see I have my fridge with the Ohm sticker that says there's no place like Ohm that I got in McComas, my microwave, my Keurig, and miscellaneous boxes for textbooks and Gatorade and stuff. And then my dresser is over here as well, open. I keep my backpack there just so I can have easy access to it. I have to say the most creative thing I think I came up with for my room is this hook. I put this command hook here for my Hokey passport. Smartest thing I've ever done. Like, it's just so easy, and it allows me to not forget it. I've only forgotten my Hokey P once, and that was during the fire drill a few days ago. Moving over here, you see this rug that I got from Marshall's, and then I have this pillow that's from Target that matches the throw, and a black trunk. And then if you see my closet doors, I have this Redbubble poster of Childish Gambino and this one of Kanye West. The sides don't fold very well, but that's okay, still love it. And then over here I have my denim embroidered backpack that I love to use in the summer and spring that I got in Paris. And then I have this that I got in the Bahamas last year. It's just a little pouch, very cute. And then if you move to the left, you can see my Buddha, because I had my favorite sitting Buddha right here and it fell and broke one day, so I was very sad about that. I also have some hidden Buddhas to an extent. If you lift up my comforter, under you can see some other accessories. I have this Buddha which my mom got for me, this to hold all of my coffee supplies, a box of tissues, my printer is far back there, and then I have this little cute jar of M&Ms that I couldn't find anywhere to fit. And if you move down, you can see my sticker for my LLC. I like to have things in my room, and I like to have them in places that are just accessible for me. So I keep the shoes that I wear the most right here because I brought a lot of shoes to school and I do not wear all of them. So I like to have the ones I wear the most right here for easy access. Another thing I'd like to say is that surge protectors are necessary. I had only one the first semester and it was terrible, like trying to make sure that everything could be plugged in. Like I never plugged in my lights. Now I plug in my lights all the time. So I got another one when I was home for break and I was very happy about that. It's very useful. I forgot to show you my hidden like jewelry storage and mugs and stuff. So under here I have this Buddha jewelry plate that my friend Skylar gave me a few years ago for my birthday, and then I have some miscellaneous like perfumes, this Burberry perfume for my mom, there's my diamond earring, this Buddha cup for my friend Polly, this little owl bracelet holder, and then some more jewelry and my alarm clock. I love mugs, so I have a bunch of mugs. I have this pink Hello Gorgeous one I got from Target, and these things are also super useful. I love them. They're quick and they're not as bad as drinking actual juice. If you move over, you can see some more of my necessities. They're kind of like piled up, but that's what you have to do. Next year I want to have a bar cart to store all of my stuff on. So here you can see the Starbucks mug I have. I have another like Starbucks tumbler, and then this tech camo turvis that I use so much and definitely will be getting another one. And then I have some of my Teen Vogue magazines before they stopped handing them out, so just in case I ever want to make a collage or anything for studio. And then I have my computer with the gold case from Etsy. So one big thing about my dorm is that there's no AC, and I was here in the summer so I was used to that. So I have two fans. You can hear one blowing right here. It's a normal box fan, so it can just blow at night. I used to have a fan up here, but it broke, so I will definitely be getting a new one for next fall. And then in the back you can see my other fan, which ventilates the air as well, so that's very nice. But that's my dorm. I loved picking out stuff for my dorm. I already know exactly what I want to do next year. I want to do the same thing, same stuff pretty much, but bring less stuff for my desk and to put on my desk hutch. But I also want to get like a bar cart or something to store things under my bed, and then more organizers for clothes. But let me show you my closet and more about my desk hutch. My desk hutch is this wood. It's from Amazon. I kind of want a different desk hutch for next year, but I'm not really sure yet. But to my closet. Okay, so in my closet I have some shoes up here that I don't wear much, and I have a bunch of shoes down here that I don't really wear as well. And then you move here and I have my towel and my towel wrap, so I can take this to the shower. And then I have just my winter clothes here and my purse here. Above my closet I have my laundry stuff, my poster holders from Redbubble, dryer sheets, and my big suitcase, which is filled with my most of my spring clothes. And then I have my other stuff for laundry. If I had to say that anything were my college essentials, it would be to have a bunch of paper towels, a bunch of Clorox wipes, and Febreze. I love Febreze. I got this one recently. It's the Bora Bora scent. It's amazing. And I also have one for fabric. And then my other favorite things to have here for like cleaning and other stuff is the Renews It ones that you can like take the top off. But I like to like keep the top on. I think it looks cute. And then over here, some other cleanings I have is a broom, just a normal broom from Walmart, and a Swiffer whenever you want to just like mop up the floor. But yeah, my room is very messy. Like, it can get very messy. I've been trying to make my bed every day, which has helped me feel like my room was more together, but it doesn't always happen. But I do love my dorm. I think it's really cute, and I enjoy putting everything together, and I can't wait to do that again next year. Even though I wish I was living in an apartment, I just didn't feel like going through the process. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked my dorm tour. I was gonna wait until I got a camera, but I was just it's fine. I don't need a camera to show you my door. Oh, but let me show you the lights lit up. This is what the lights look lit up. They're really cute. They're like little paper lights. I don't know. They're like little lanterns. And it looks really cute at night when you're trying to study or just like chill. So, yeah. But that's my room.